Hello and welcome back to our channel, How to Make Money Top 10 Videos. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to our hearts, cooking. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to create engaging cooking content on social media that will keep your followers coming back for more. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Buy your equipment for filming. You'll need some equipment for filming your videos. At the very least, you'll need a camera. Buy a good quality camera. If you have a smartphone with at least a 10MP camera, that will do too. You may also need a tripod for filming. It will hold the camera in place while it films you cooking. You can also try to hold the camera in one hand while cooking with the other hand, but that's hard to do. It's best if you buy the proper equipment for filming. Tip 2. Plan your content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to plan your content. Create a content calendar to help you stay organized and ensure you're posting regularly. You can also plan your content based on seasonal ingredients or popular food holidays. When it comes to creating engaging cooking content on social media, it's important to plan your content in advance. Planning your content means deciding on the type of content you want to create, the topics you want to cover, and when you want to publish it. Here are some benefits of planning your content. 1. Consistency. Planning your content in advance helps you maintain consistency in your posting schedule. This is important for building an engaged audience that knows when to expect new content from you. 2. Efficiency. When you plan your content in advance, you can create multiple pieces of content at once. This saves time and ensures that you always have content to share with your audience. 3. Variety. Planning your content allows you to mix up your content types and topics, which can keep your audience engaged and interested in your channel. 4. Seasonal relevance. Planning your content also helps you stay relevant to the current season or holiday. For example, you can plan Halloween-themed recipes in October or Thanksgiving recipes in November. To start planning your content, create a content calendar or schedule that outlines the type of content you want to create, the topics you want to cover, and when you want to publish it. This will help you stay organized and on track with your content creation goals. Tip 3. Start your YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com/create_channel. You need a Gmail account to create your channel. If you already have an account, you will be taken to your page. Then you need to click Customize Channel. You can edit your profile picture, channel art, name, description, and more. Pick a name for your channel. You can choose any name you like, as long as it's unique and related to cooking. Many use their own name and add the words kitchen. Tip 4. Share behind-the-scenes footage. Your followers are interested in more than just the finished product, they want to see what happens behind the scenes too. Share footage of your preparation process, your kitchen setup, or your cooking bloopers. This will help your audience feel more connected to you and your content. Tip 5. Collaborating with other cooking creators is a great way to grow your following and reach new audiences. You can collaborate on recipes, share each other's content, or even do a live cooking demo together. Tip 6. Engage with your audience. Engagement is key to building a loyal following on social media. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your followers. You can also ask for recipe suggestions or share polls to get your audience involved. Tip 7. Offer helpful tips and advice. Don't just share recipes, offer helpful tips and advice to your audience too. For example, you can share kitchen hacks, ingredient substitutions, or cooking techniques. This will show your audience that you're a valuable resource their cooking needs. Tip 8. Stay up to date with trends. Stay on top of the latest food trends and incorporate them into your cooking content. For example, you can create recipes using popular ingredients like avocado or kale, or participate in trending challenges like the viral whipped coffee craze. Tip 9. Get feedback and improve your videos. If this is your first time making videos, then you probably have a lot of room for improvement. After uploading your initial videos, you should be looking for feedback to improve your videos. Maybe you need to write better titles. Maybe you need to show the steps more clearly. Maybe your filming or editing isn't very good. Pay attention to the feedback and work on it. You should also look at other recipe channels that are doing well. What are they doing right, and how can you learn from them? As you take feedback and observe other channels, your videos will get better and you'll improve your channel. You can also invest in premium video editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro. Premium software will significantly improve the quality of your videos. But your software is not the most important thing for a successful YouTube channel. The most important thing is your video content quality. You can make great videos with a simple camera phone and free software. Tip 10. Have fun. Finally, the most important tip of all, have fun. Cooking should be a fun and creative process, so don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes or cooking techniques. Let your passion for cooking shine through in your content, and your followers will love you for it. Creating engaging cooking content on social media should be a fun and enjoyable experience for both you and your audience. One of the best ways to achieve this is by being yourself and letting your personality shine through in your content. Don't be afraid to show your quirks and unique style, as it can help you connect with your audience on a personal level. When you're having fun and being yourself, your passion for cooking will show in your content, making it more engaging and enjoyable for your viewers. Your excitement and enthusiasm can be contagious, and your audience will be more likely to engage with your content and share it with their friends. Remember, social media is a platform for creativity and self-expression. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things with your cooking content. The more you experiment and express yourself, the more likely you are to stand out and attract a loyal following. So, whether you're showcasing your cooking skills or sharing your favorite recipes, always remember to have fun and be yourself. Your unique personality and style can make your cooking content stand out and help you grow your social media following. And there you have it, 10 tips for creating engaging cooking content on social media. We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 videos for more great content like this. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!